Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of the how to make a diamond shape. In this part we will be cutting the component parts for the diamond to the measurements that we have got from the drawing in the last part. For the marking and measuring, I will be using a 30-degree set square and a sliding square. First shape is the hexagon, and the 30-degree set square makes the marking and measuring very easy. Next shape after the hexagon is the trapezoid, and there will be 6 of these made. For marking the trapezoid, it's always easier to start from the center and work your way out. Third and last shape is the triangle, and there will be 6 of these also. And here also you start from the center and work your way out. The 2 dimensions that you need here is the base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. That's it. These are some offcuts of 1.2 mm thick stainless steel 304 grade, and I'll be using these to make the hexagon, trapezoid and the triangle, which will be used to make the diamond. Now let's start the cutting, and I'll be using a 4-inch angle grinder for cutting all these pieces. the parts are cut to the size. Now the next step will be to prep them for welding. The offcuts of the sheets that I was using were badly scratched, so I went through all the parts with the sander. First I used 120 grit discs and then switched for 220 grit to get rid of some of the superficial scratches. This will help in the end for polishing and buffing, and this will also help during the welding procedure. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.